This is Nesco Garden Master Food Dehydrator and Jerky Maker. Actually, this machine is pretty big, and it got 8 trays, so also can expand like super high, super tall. Each tray you can remove. In the bottom, you can adjust the temperature. It gives you a little book, so you can, according to the book, which food you are dehydrating, you just choose the right temperature. It's very easy to use. So the heating part is at the bottom, and distribute the heat to the side, and goes into the food and come out right in the middle. So this is the BPA free little mesh. So for example, if your food is too small, you just need these trays. So each tray is like this. I can see that it's already very small holes inside, but if you does have something that's really tiny, so you can put this one on, or you can put this tray on. So this tray is even tinier. All right, you can see that all the trays are removable. And we go to the bottom. Look at the machine. It's all metal, and here is the mesh, just in case that the finger goes in. And all the heat come out from here. I think for my family that 8 trays is enough. You can dehydrate like 5 to 10 pounds of food each time. I think it's pretty convenient. And all of this are the accessories, different trays. All right, let's turn it on. I think the only downside is the loud. It's pretty loud. I mean that it's like a dryer. The airflow is good, it's not bad. Probably just from the fan and the airflow inside. So it's getting louder. So let's turn it off. All right, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.